is the mark verify drawing command. Very handy tool if you don't have the vault. What the mark verify command is used for is it's the only way in AutoCAD Electrical that we can actually record changes that we've made throughout the design cycle. There's nothing automatic. There's no rev control. There's nothing to tie it back to the title block. Wish it would. And again, if you're using the vault, I'm sure the vault would be the way to go as far as recording your design process, the history of your design process. But if you don't have the vault, we have this mark verify command. And what you start with is you mark the drawing. When you mark the drawing, it'll put an invisible mark on every single component and wire that's in here. And I'll just call this my famous station 1. Or I'll say sheet 3, since this is the drawing I'm in. Whatever. So just put an invisible mark on every single component and wire that's in here. Now, when I go back to the command, or before I go back to the command, let me do some editing. I'm going to delete this component, which means I not only deleted a symbol, but a wire number as well. Let me edit this one. And I'll just give it, wait a minute here. Yeah, let me change the catalog number on this one. I'll update other drawings. And then I'll change the description on this one to so I made a few changes, and I wanted those changes to be able to be recorded. So now I can go back to the mark verify it this time, see my initials in here. It's got a date stamp. It'll record whoever the last one is that marked it. And there you go. There's all the changes that I made since I last marked the drawing or the project. What I love about this is you can pull it out in your report generator, so you could change the report format. You could save it to an Excel spreadsheet. You could put it back onto a drawing, what have you. So mark verify is the only way in electrical that we can record changes that we've made throughout the design process.